Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to record screen on a Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 series. The first thing we will do is slide the upper panel of shortcuts or control center, where we will have quick action buttons. Within the list of shortcuts that we have, we will see different options. You'll need to swipe the screen to see more shortcuts. Here we will tap on the option of Screen Recorder. Once you click on that option, you will see that a small recording menu will be created on the screen that includes the record button, access to files, or the configuration option. To configure your recordings, you can click on the gear icon. You will see different possible configuration options when recording your screen. Configure the ones you need for your recording, such as resolution or frame rate. Once you have everything ready, you can start recording using the red button on the floating menu. We will see that the floating menu indicates that the recording has begun with a timer that indicates the elapsed time. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you want to finish the recording, click on the stop icon in the floating menu. You'll see a quick access notice at the top about your recording. All your screen recordings can be found within the gallery of your phone. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.